Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add hair volume in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want full or thicker hair in your photos? FaceApp can boost your hair volume in just a matter of seconds. So let's see how. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the FaceApp application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and then you're gonna look for the FaceApp. It's developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. You're gonna make sure to install this application. And after that, you're gonna launch the app and make sure you give it the permission to access your gallery. Now you can either upload your photo or take a new one by choosing the camera option. Then you're gonna upload a photo from here. You can choose some photo. And in this toolbar in the bottom, you're gonna see the hairstyle. You're gonna scroll until you see the hairstyle. Now once you click on the hairstyle, you're gonna to add volume. You can choose either the or long here to add the volume, and as you can see here, it transforms and it gives you longer hair. Now you can choose the style that adds volume or thickness. You can scroll between the styles here, but you have to pay for premium version to have access to all the styles. Now as you can see, now also apply the effect and adjust it if needed and save your edited images. Use high quality photos and try multiple styles for best results and keep it natural for realism. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.